With us today is Dr. Ann Schmidt, Medical Director of Blue Cross Blue Shield, and we're going to be talking about, of course, the vaccines and what they're doing and how they're doing it and how they're distributed and so on and so forth. And Dr. Ann, I can call you Dr. Ann, can I?
Absolutely.
Okay, Dr. Ann, let's talk about the 3 different vaccines first.
Okay, I think that's a great kind of level set to start with, Bob. We currently have 3 authorized vaccines nationally for COVID-19. 2 of those are what are called mRNA vaccines, and they work with RNA technology to help your body kind of build the protein spike and then create antibodies to that spike. So with each vaccine that you get, your body learns to make antibodies to fight the COVID virus. Those 2 vaccines are from Pfizer and from Moderna, and those are 2-dose vaccines. So with Pfizer, you'll get your first shot, you'll go back 3 weeks later, get your second shot, and 2 weeks after that, you'll have approximately 95% immunity to COVID-19. It may be even a little more. We're hearing numbers come out as late as this morning showing that there might be even higher effectiveness than 95%. So you can't get much better than that, but apparently they are a little better even in studies. The 3rd vaccine that we talk about is the Johnson & Johnson/Janssen vaccine. And the big difference here is this is a 1-dose vaccine. The technology is a little different. It still teaches your body to make antibodies to the COVID-19 virus, but this only takes 1 dose.
1 dose. Now, how many people have we vaccinated in Alabama that you all at Blue Cross know of?
So that's a great question. So we get the most accurate data for the state of Alabama from the Department of Public Health's website. They really have kind of the most up-to-date stats. And so the numbers that I'll share with you are for our entire state, not only Blue Cross patients. So as of today, which is March 11th, we have administered 1.14 million doses in the state of Alabama. And that's doses, so that could be a shot of Pfizer, a shot of Moderna, or a shot of Johnson & Johnson. But what we'll also look at is how many people have completed their vaccination series. And we have 424,039 people as of right now who've either had their 2 doses of Pfizer or Moderna or their 1 dose of Johnson & Johnson. So those are really, we're really headed the right direction here with vaccinations in our state.
So we are down to 65 and older to be eligible to sign up to get an appointment for the vaccine, or has that been reduced, do you know?
No, we're still at 65 and over, plus essential workers. And the big group of essential workers includes teachers. So there are some beyond that. So you've got your frontline healthcare workers, you've got residents and staff of long-term care facilities, which are what you think of as nursing homes. And then you've got the population that's 65 and over. Anyone 65 and over can and should please register to get your vaccine. We're rapidly getting more doses available, so don't give up. You know, if you're out there trying to get an appointment, you can call your physician, you can call your pharmacy, or you can either go to the Department of Public Health website or call the phone number that's on their site. But just keep trying.
If you're a veteran, I got my shots through the VA. If you're a veteran, I couldn't believe how fast it was. I called on one day, I got the appointment for the next day. I went down and got the shot. It took 45 minutes total, including the 15-minute wait that you have. And I went back the second time, took 35 minutes. For my second shot, my wife Janie had her 2 shots at UAB. They did it at the Met over there in Hoover. 35 minutes, including the 15-minute wait. Unbelievable the way how organized both of those, the VA and UAB, is organized. And I've talked to people that are veterans throughout the state, and they're having no problem. So that, I mean, if you're a veteran, get right in there, no matter where you are. Find out where through the VA, state VA. And where did you get yours? Your first one?
I actually got mine at a local pharmacy, at a local Walmart. I've had one dose so far of the Moderna vaccine, and I'm scheduled for my second dose in about 2 weeks.
Isn't that interesting? So I mean, pretty much if you're, I mean, I think Alabama's doing a great job of distributing this and getting this vaccine out to everybody. I mean, I'm just amazed how everybody is working so close. And so many volunteers. I've seen so many volunteers in both areas. And so the governor is going to open it up, I guess, mask-wise on April the 9th, I think. So I'd like to talk to you about that next, about the mask situation and all that, and in our next interview for next month. So I want to thank you so much for being with us today. Good information about the vaccine. As always, Dr. Schmidt, we really appreciate you so much, and we appreciate Blue Cross and Blue Shield for always wanting and have the ability to help everybody. Now, they can go to the website and get information too, right?
They can, alabamablue.com. We've got a updated links to COVID-19 sites. We have our information out there, so definitely check that out. And thank you so much for taking the time to publicize this and make sure that everybody knows how important it is to get their vaccine.
Okay, thank you again.